So hey guys, I've just finished fishing. Oh man, I'm tired. I just want to go home, but I guess not. All my mates and my dad, they're all having a good time. And I just want to go and get some rest and go on my exercise for a bit, because I made a new user, and if any of you want to know it, capital X, small x, capital R, a 3. It's revenge, yeah, but capital R and a 3. And then it's lowercase x and then a higher case x. If any of you guys want to know that, but I don't mind. But anyway, anyone who's cool will have an Xbox, not a scabby PlayStation 3 or Wii. You know, Xbox 360 is cool, but it's not the point. But yeah, I've just told you it's boring fishing, but I'm gonna have some fun looking around with you guys, anyway. It's a nice bench over there. I like that bench. See if you see all that fun this goes. City of Plymouth. Nice of you. Yeah. Oh, doesn't that look nice, guys? You can see the sunset a bit over there. And oh, see that bird over there? See if we can get close to it. Quite far away. He went away. But there's a few people having some fun on the boat. See him moving a bit, yeah. At the side of the screen now. Left hand side. But it looks like that. Looks like they're having fun. But Malcolm from my church, he was on my fishing rod for a bit. He's caught a really big fish. It's really good. I tried to take a picture of it, but my external memory on this phone I'm using right now to sample this is not very good, so I had to get a memory card. So I've got 18 GB now memory card on this phone, so it's better than memory card than a fucking iPhone. I hate iPhones. Mine broke easy. Well, there's another boat coming around. See that? Quite big, guys. I'd love to go like on a boat, wouldn't you guys? But yeah, it's a bit bored to be honest. Who wants to spend their lifetime in a bin? Yes, you heard me, a bin. Let's think of what to do, guys. I've got that. If you could see a dude over there. He seems to be following me, but let's hope he doesn't. But anyway, guys, I'm off now. I'm off. See you later, guys. Yeah, just a reminder that all my videos are made for YouTube. I'm keeping on. I don't know what else to say. I'm bored, to be honest, so I just want to have something to do. Yeah, I put this video on my YouTube called Chief Set from Plan B. And they took it away from me because I thought it was copyright. But I got it from a disc that I brought, so I hardly think that's copyright. But anyway, guys, I'll see you later. I'm off. Keep on trolling, guys. One last view around here before I say keep on trolling for good. Well, guys, keep on trolling.